Choo-choo goes the color train, through the sunshine, through the rain, rolling down the rainbow track. A clickety-clack and a clickety-clack. The red car shines so bright, it's full of apples, what a sight. A red bird sings a happy tune, hop aboard says a red balloon. Here comes orange, bold and wide, an orange tiger jumps inside. Carrots crunch and pumpkins grin, let the orange ride begin. Yellow like the morning sun, a smiling duck says this is fun. Bananas dance, a bee goes buzz, the yellow train car full of fuzz. Green trees wave as we go by, a froggy leaps into the sky. Broccoli waves from garden beds, and green turtles peek their heads. Blue train car is cool and sweet, with blueberries we love to eat. A blue whale swims along the track, splashing water from the back. Purple grapes and dancing cats, with purple hats and party mats. A unicorn with sparkly shoes winks and joins the purple caboose. Choo-choo goes the color train, through the sunshine, through the rain. All the colors now are here, let's cheer for the rainbow engineer. Ready, slide 2.